Hope you can see now. Okay. Abraham, first question, what are biological resources? Yes, Abraham. Unmute. What are biological
Hello,
resources?
ma'am.
Yes, Abraham. Question one.
Yes,
Yes.
what are
Yes, Abraham.
resources?
Yes.
Biological resources are those resources that are given to us by humans or by life, such as animals and humans.
Those resources, okay, such as forests, trees, plants, organisms, microorganisms. Okay, all of these are biological resources. Those resources which are found on the earth where life is possible. Okay, those resources which are found on earth where life is possible are biological resources. Okay, found on the earth basically. Now, write one example of each category: autotrophs, herbivore, carnivores, scavengers, and decomposers. Abraham. Autotrophs, Abraham.
Land,
Plants. Okay. Herbivores.
mm, animals,
Whom? Humans.
humans,
Humans. Humans are actually omnivores, Abraham.
herbivores, rabbits,
Rabbit. Yeah. Carnivores.
lions,
Lions. Yes. Scavengers.
uh, crows,
Crows. Okay. And decomposers.
fungi,
Fungi. Yes. Correct, Abraham. Now, fill in the blanks. Use, fill in the blanks. All living beings use dash gas in breathing.
oxygen gas,
Oxygen gas.
breathing.
Yes. Correct. Next one. Plants use dash gas to prepare food by photosynthesis.
Plants use what do you call that?
When gas is used in the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare their food using sunlight,
And
warmth,
carbon dioxide gas.
carbon dioxide gas. Correct. We get dash and dash from forests.
We get fruits, um,
Fruit.
vegetables, and oxygen from forest.
Okay. You can also write spices, wood, okay, and food from forests. Spices, wood, fruits, food from forest. Cuscuta reflexa is a dash plant.
Escuta reflexa is a big is a I don't know, ma'am. I can't remember.
Let us see. Here it is. Paris. It is a parasite. 1 second. Not a. Okay. 1 second. Let me just confirm this because the commas are not placed right in this paragraph. Parasites. Yes, it is a parasite. Okay. Next question. Okay, done. You're done with the exercises. We will check out the structure of forest. Now, tall trees are at a height in forests. Their branches cover small trees and plants. Such trees are known as conifer cone. Okay, means tall trees are there. Okay, in such a way that their branches cover small trees and plants. Now, so they are known as conifer cones. Now, since forest has various heights, upper layers or top layers are formed. The upper layer is called the topmost layer. Okay. Um, Abraham, see, forests have different. 1 second.
Mama understood this.
You've understood this, right? So the
Kind of.
big plants form the top layer. Then you have trees that are a little smaller than that, na? That size trees. So that becomes your second layer, like that. Okay. Now, organisms and plant species found in forests. Many animals and many animals or organisms like birds, snake, squirrel, monkey, baboon, etc., are found in the branch on trees. On land live lion, tiger, bear, elephant, deer, peacock, etc., according to their own needs. Some organisms they make their home inside the earth by digging the hole, like rats and rabbit, or by making line or colony, like ants and snake. The upper layer of soil is the home of earthworms and some insects. So they lot of animals live in soil in the earth. Lots of animals live in the soil. Okay, some dig holes, some make colonies. Okay, some just are beneath the soil. Now, some microorganisms or decomposers are found in soil, which decompose dead organisms, leaves, etc. In short, they clean the environment. Okay, they clean the environment. Why? Because they decompose the dead and decaying remains of plants and animals. Okay, now common plants and organisms found in Indian forests. The common trees found in Indian forest. What are those? Neem, peepal, bargad, sal, teak, sagon, salem, shisham, palash, amla, bamboo, kachnar, anjeer, kher, etc. Okay. Some of them furniture is made with like sagon, shisham. Okay. All of them we use to make tables, chairs, and sofas. Scientific names are there. Okay. Scientific names neem, Azadirachta indica, people, sacred fig. Bargad is bunyan, sol, shorea robusta, teak, tec- tecuna grandis, sagon, savan, salem,
What?
cannonball tree, shisha, dalbergia siso, palash, butea, monosperma, amla, Indian gooseberry, बांस bamboo, kachnar, bahuhinia variegata, anjeer common fig, okay, and kher, Senegalia catechu. So these are the scientific names of the trees. Now, animals found in forests are deer, elephant, pig, bison, monkey, baboons, tiger, leopard, cobra, snakes, peacock, hedgehog, jackal, etc. Okay, these are the animals that are found in the forest. Now tell me, any doubt? Any doubt till now? Abraham, any doubt? No? Okay. Food chain in.
And down.
Okay. Ask.
About this. We have learned the Hindi names.
Do you have to learn the Hindi names? Hindi names, what? Which ones? These? You can learn at least five to six, Abraham. Okay? The easy ones like neem and teak, amla, bamboo. Learn five to six easy ones, okay? Okay. Now, food chain in forests. Every living being needs food. Every plant uses carbon dioxide present in sunlight and water to prepare its own food. These plants are called autotrophs. Those plants which use carbon dioxide present in sunlight and water to prepare their own food, they are called autotrophs. All plants and organisms, they don't have chlorophyll. So they eat the food prepared by other plants and animals. Okay? They eat the food that is prepared by other plants and animals. Now, the herbivores eat plants and carnivores eat herbivores. This prepares a chain of organisms which is known as a food chain. Okay? This prepares a chain of organisms called a food chain. When one organism is dependent on the other for food. Okay? Now, autotrophs. This is the food chain pattern. Okay? First is autotrophs, those animals which prepare their own food. They are eaten by herbivores, okay? The plant eaters. Herbivores are eaten by carnivores, the animal eaters. And carnivores are eaten by us, omnivores, okay? Those who eat the both flesh and plants, okay? So the starts with autotrophs and ends at omnivores. Okay, this is a food chain pattern. Now, food chain examples are the plants are eaten by insects, insects are eaten by frog, frog is eaten by snake, snake is eaten by eagle or vulture. Okay, snake is eaten by eagle or vulture. This is your first food chain. Next food chain is grass is eaten by deer, deer is eaten by leopard. Okay, and the last one, fruits of plants and trees are eaten by monkey, and monkey is eaten by python. Okay, these are all food chains. Now, so many food chains, when they are joined together, they make a food web. Okay, they made a food, not a food chain. They made a make a food web. Okay, now vulture is vulture peacock. This is a food web, I guess. Okay. See, the chicken is eaten by cat also. the wolf also, human also. Okay. The mouse is eaten by uh, the owl. Insect is eaten by both frog and bird. Okay. Bird is eaten by snake. Snake is also eaten by owl. Okay. And peacock is also eaten by wolf. Okay. So when one thing is eaten by two, three other things, and those things are eaten by one or two more things. Okay. That is a food web, like a combination of many food chains, or when many food chains come together at one place, that is a food web. Okay. Now, if leaves of plants, fruits, seeds, and dead organisms are placed in forest, then it may give a bad smell. Therefore, eagle, crow, fox, jackal, etc. Such organisms are known as saprophytes. Rest of the part of dead organism's body are decomposed by fungi and various organisms. Okay, saprophytes, those which feed on, those which gain their nutrition from the dead and decaying remains of animals. Okay, eagle, crow, fox, jackal, they eat the other dead animals, and the rest of the body is decomposed by fungi and bacteria, decomposers. Okay, now this these change these into humus and non-carbonic items. Okay, means that this decomposition and this eating by first scavengers and then decomposers, this changes that dead and decaying remains to humus and non-carbonic items. Okay, the cycle that I taught you yesterday. Okay, now can you write two examples of animals found on tree branches? Unmute yourself. Yes.
Um, monkey, squirrel,
And squirrel. Okay. Animals living by making colony in soil.
rabbits, skulls,
Whom?
rabbits,
Rabbits? No. Rabbits do not make colonies.
ants and snakes,
Ants and snakes. Animals that decompose dead animals and leaves.
am I,
Say again.
um,
Yeah.
fungi and bacteria.
Yeah. And those who eat herbivores. Those who eat herbivores.
Carnivore, lion and tiger.
Yes. Now check out the second question. You have five trees which are found in Indian forest. You have to write their names, right? So that is why I told you that you have to learn at least five to six names, okay, of the trees. Animals, see, it's easy with the animals. You'll be able to remember and write down the animals. But trees also, please learn five to six trees so that when question like this comes, you are able to answer it. Neem, people, shisham. Then we have amla and bamboo. Okay. Okay. Effect of weather and climate on forests. We will do this tomorrow. Okay. What is the effect of weather and climate on forest? What is about cutting the forests and its harmful effects, and also about conservation of forests and other forest animals. Okay. Let's do this tomorrow. Okay. Break for you, Abraham, till 8:20, and then we will begin the rest.
Just repeat, ma'am. Two.
Break for you till 8:20, and then we will begin with maths. Okay, let's begin. Hello, Joshua. Good morning.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Let me share the screen with you. Can I have your video on, please? Okay, now we were doing drawing the parallel lines using scale and set square. Okay, we did that yesterday. Yeah. Today we will check out drawing perpendicular lines. Okay, what are perpendicular lines? Perpendicular lines are those lines which are, suppose I have a line. Okay, suppose I have a line. And when you have one line that is straight coming on top of that line, like this. Line straight coming to that line. Okay. That is known as that is known as perpendicular. Hope you can hear me now. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
So I was telling that when you have a straight line, okay, and on top of that, you make another line like this, or you put another line like this, okay, and it will make a 90-degree angle. It makes a 90-degree angle. Straight line, not slant, not slant. Okay, straight line. Okay, here also when it will make 90-degree angle. Okay, or you make it like this also. Straight line. Below you make a straight line. Below this line you make a straight line. In such a way that it makes 90-degree angles again. Okay. So your this thing is known as perpendiculars. This straight line now on top or on the bottom of your straight line where it makes your 90-degree angles, this is known as perpendicular. Understood? This line is known as perpendicular. Okay. Now, if you can see, L1 is my straight line. Okay. L1 is my straight line. And on that, they have put a line like this. Okay. How? This is my straight line. And on that, they have put one line like this. Okay. A straight line. Now here what is happening? All angles are 90 degree. Okay, all angles are 90 degree. Here also 90 degree will form. Here also 90 degree will form. Then bottom, here also 90 degree. And here also 90 degree. Okay, 90 degree angles will form everywhere. Why? Because when two straight lines are there, okay, like this and like this, 90 degree angle it is. Okay, if it is a cross also like this, if it is a cross also like this, it is perpendicular. Okay, L3 and L4 we are watching, so we can say that L on L3 L4 is perpendicular. Okay, or L3 and L4 are perpendicular to each other, and that will also make your 490 degree angles. Okay, if two like lines are cutting each other, okay, straight, like two straight lines are cutting each other, it will make 90 degree angles. Okay, like here also 90, here also 90, 90. Okay, 90 degree, 90 degree, and 90 degree. Okay, understood? Now, suppose if we have it like this. What if I have it? Okay, ma'am. Uh, 1 second. You will tell me that. So sorry. Okay. Yes. So I was saying that what if we have it like this? Ma'am, this is a straight line. And on that, I have this straight line, 90 degrees. No. Okay. That is not 90 because this second one is not a straight line. This is a straight line. On this, it will be like this, 90. Okay. And it can pass through like that, 90. Okay. Understood? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
basically all angles should be right angle.
All angles should be right angles. Okay. Perpendicular is always 90 degree. Okay. Perpendicular lines are always equal to 90 degree. Now, we will construct perpendicular lines using a protractor. Hope you have your geometry boxes. Why? I told you yesterday to bring it.
Ma'am, I have it. Can I go and get it?
Go and get it. Okay. Both of you. You have your Joshua, you have? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, now we will do it using a protractor, set square, or compass. Okay. Okay. Joshua, till then you make a line. Draw a line. Any radius.
It's not.
Okay. Now I want you to take the center of your line and mark a point P there. Okay, suppose your line is 8 centimeter. So mark a point at 4 centimeter. If your line is 6 centimeter, mark a point at 3 centimeter. Take half of your line and mark a point. Okay, first step, draw a line, and after that, You mark its center points and name it P.
I don't have my protractor.
You don't have your protractor? Um, say again.
Can I draw with the compass?
Can you draw with a compass? Okay. First draw a line, take the center, Abraham, mark it P. With your compass, draw 90 degree right above the center point. Yes, Joshua.
I'm also supposed to do that, or
No. You have the protractor, right, Joshua? Okay. So, Abraham, I'll teach you, and Joshua, I'll teach you. Both of you, I'll tell you how to do it, okay? So, this one is for Joshua. Okay, 1 second. Mm, okay. This one is for Joshua. Joshua, you have drawn the line. You have marked the center point P.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now place your protractor. You have a center point in the protractor, a small hole or a center point. Place that on your P point that you've just marked in the center of your line. Place the center of your protractor on P point, that is in the center of your line. Done?
Done.
Now put a point like your protractor is there. On top of that center, 90 degrees, 90 is written. You put a point there. Okay. See, suppose this is your protractor. Look on the screen. Suppose this is your protractor. Okay. You make a point here. Here, right where 90, it's showing 90 on your page.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Now name this point B. Write a small b near that point.
Done, ma'am.
Now join this B and P. Okay, Abraham, I can see your 90. And you have joined the okay. Okay, Abraham, correct. Okay, correct. Good. Now Joshua, join B and P.
Done, ma'am.
Show me. You have to turn off the filter and then show. Bring it closer. Okay, correct, Joshua. Correct. That is how you draw a perpendicular line using a protractor. Now we will do it using a set square. Okay, using a set square. Again, Abraham, do you have a set square?
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Okay. Make a line. Make a line L. First, draw a line L. Joshua, you also. And draw a line L.
L as in, ma'am.
L as in means you draw a line and write a small L near it. L is the name of the line. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now mark a point A on your line. Look on the screen. This is the how it will look like. This one. This line is there and point A. Mark a point A on your line.
Ma'am, I can't see the line very clearly.
You cannot see the line very clearly. Now can you see?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Mark a point A on your line. Done. Now hold your set square like this and show me. Hold your set square like this and show me. 90 degree. Hold it like 90-degree form. Abraham, you made it. Did you make it using set square? Yes. Okay. Okay, Joshua, can you hold it like this, your set square?
Yeah.
No.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I didn't do that yet, ma'am.
You didn't do that yet. No, I am just telling you to explain the next step to you. Okay? How? What is the next step? Suppose this is your line. Okay? We use the set square like this. Okay? Put it on A points. Okay? Like this. So the set square has an angle of 90 degree. Hope you know that. Okay, the corner angle of your set square is 90 degree. So place it like this, Joshua. Place it on your A points like this.
Okay, ma'am.
Done. Now mark this point, Joshua. Mark this point. The stop point where your like set square is now the topmost point of the set square. You mark that.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Okay. Now next step is that draw a line, join it, name it point B. Name it point B. Okay. And join AB. Name that point B. See, this is your set square, Joshua. Okay. This is your set square. 1 second. Let me just adjust it. Okay. And this is your point B, right? On the top here. Okay. Now join AB like this, straight. With your set square. Join AB straights.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Now this is your perpendicular line. Okay. This AB is your perpendicular line on L. Okay. L line is there. L is the base line. AB is perpendicular on L. Okay, done. Show me. Can you show me?
Ma'am,
Yes.
when you hold it up like this, ma'am,
Yeah.
are you also supposed to join like this? Are you also supposed to draw this line?
No, no. You are
Oh.
not supposed to draw that line.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, Joshua, that is correct. Okay, that is correct. Now, with this, we are finished with the lesson. But we will practice, like I said, I will practice some of the calculating questions with you. Okay. I will calculate some of the questions with you. Okay. 11.6. Let me just open the whiteboard, okay? 1 second. Let me just open the whiteboard with you. Can you see that? Hello, can you see that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Okay. Now, 1 second. Okay. Just give me a minute. Yes. So sorry. Okay. I will make the diagram. Okay. You have to find out the angles. Okay. I'll make the diagram and you have to find out the angles. This is U. This is V. This is X, Y, and Z. Oh, sorry. Z is here. 1 second. Okay. Now, U is 110 degree. And the U is 110 degree. You have to find,
And 10, ma'am. X is 70. Z is 70. Y is 110.
okay. Uh, what is V, Abraham?
Ma'am, 70.
V is 70. V, I'm telling. V.
So, ma'am, B is 110. X is 70. Y is 70. X is 70. Z is 70. Y is 110.
V is 110. X is 70. Okay. X is 70. Then you said Y is 110. Y 110. And Z is 70. Okay,
Ma'am,
Abraham. Yes,
you
Joshua.
said B. You said B or something, ma'am.
No, V. Okay, I
Okay,
said
ma'am.
V.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Joshua, how this is happening? Okay. See, this U and this V. U is 110, V is given. Okay. When these are opposite, okay, like V and U, opposite, you can see, opposite to each other. When two angles are opposite, they are known as vertically opposite angles. Okay. When two lines are cutting like this, 1 second. When two lines are cutting like this, okay. So in that, this angle and this angle is equal, and this angle and this angle is equal. Why? Opposites. So that is why V is how much? 110 degree. Okay. Because this is vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Acha, Abraham, when you are answering, okay, like right now though it's okay, but when it is coming in the paper now to calculate, you will write this, okay, correct. But if you do not write the reasons now, you will lose marks, okay, because you have to tell how it happened or why it happened, okay. Along with writing the measure, you also write how it happened. Okay, like is it corresponding angles? Is it vertically opposite? Is it alternate? What type of pair is that? Understood?
Ma'am,
Now, yes,
V and X is different is 70 because of interior angles.
V and X, okay, interior angles. Uh, okay,
V and Y alternate.
U and Y. U and Y are corresponding, Abraham.
Yeah, ma'am,
Okay.
I went V and Y.
You wrote
V and Y.
V and Y. Okay, okay, got it.
Ma'am,
Got it
exact.
now. Okay. So Y is equals to U. Okay, Y is 110 because corresponding angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And X is equals to 70. Okay. Um, See, now here x can also be linear pair y. See, y is 110. Okay, so x 180 minus 110, right? So 70 degree, because x and y make linear pair. So it is also because of linear pair. Or you can also write supplementary angles. Linear pair. Okay, and z and x. Take a look at these two angles. Z and x. Now I know that x is 70. This side z can be also 70. Why? Again, vertically opposite. Like v and u on the top, bottom we have x and z, vertically opposite angles. Got it? Understood.
Yes, ma'am. But there's another way also to solve it.
Yes, Abraham, there is another way that you did it. It is
No, ma'am.
correct, Abraham.
There are countless ways.
Countless
Ma'am,
ways. Okay.
because like
Mm-hmm.
we could either solve it as v and y corresponding.
Mm-hmm.
Then we can take it angles on the line equal to 180, and then we could do vertical. And then we could do
Okay.
interior. Ma'am, we can solve it almost any way.
Okay. Yes. Yes, that is true. You can solve it anyway. Okay, that is true. Okay. Shall I give you one more?
Yes, ma'am.
You will do one more.
Okay, ma'am.
Joshua, did you understand this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. There is any doubt, you please ask me.
At first, it just seems a little complex.
Yeah, but it is easy. Like when you practice questions on this now, it will become easy. Okay, Abraham Joshua, try this out.
I'm done.
Okay, tell me.
X is 100 degrees because of corresponding.
Abraham, say again, Abraham. I couldn't hear you.
He said x is 100 degrees.
Because
Okay,
of
x is 100 degrees. Mm-hmm.
corresponding, then what do you call that? Then angles on the line equal to 180, and y is 110 degrees because of alternate, and then angles on the straight line are equal to 180.
Uh, Abraham, please repeat again. Can you?
X is 100, y is 110.
Why 110? Why? Why?
Ma'am, you are asking me why 110?
Yes. Why 100 and why 110?
Ma'am, 70. Ma'am, first number one, we get alternate angles, ma'am. And then we know angles on a straight line equal to 180. So we get the angle near to y is 70, and then we just do that. Then the next is, ma'am, for 80 degrees and x, we get corresponding angles and angles on the straight line equal to 180.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, I got it. So, Abraham, what you did is this angle is 180 minus 70, that is 110. So, y will also be 110 because these are corresponding angles. Same thing you did here also. This is 80. So, this will be 100. Okay, and now this is 100. So, the above one will be x will be 100 again because of corresponding angles. Right? Correct, Abraham. It is correct. X is 100, y 110. Okay. Okay. One more. One more. Let's do tomorrow. The rest.
I'm fine with it, ma'am.
Okay. I'll send some homework to you to do it at home and send me. Okay. If I forget to send the homework, please remind me. Okay. Drop a text, ma'am, homework. Okay. And remind me. And I'll send you the homework for this. And we will do tomorrow same questions. We'll practice tomorrow also. And Thursday we will start a new chapter. Okay. Okay then. See you all. Bye. I'll see you all on. I'll see you all tomorrow. Have a good day.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye,
Bye.
Abraham.